Look, Lou has a new best friend who has cheese. Hi, Lou. He loves his brother. It's raining at my house. My new table from Home Depot. All their summer patio furniture is on super clearance. $30 was $90. We're cooking in a thunderstorm. I know we need the rain. Here comes the rain.
You're not going to eat a whole burger.
How about you have half of a burger and some penne on the side and a piece of corn?
Yeah, 'cause you're not going to eat a whole burger. Right?
Does that sound good?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not the ideal cooking situation, but we're dealing with it. Or we, as in my poor husband. We're undercover, aren't we, Lanny? Honey, are you soaking wet?